Just a few days ago, Google quietly introduced a new AI language model called Gemma 3270M. What makes this model stand out isn't just its capabilities, but its size. It's so compact that it can run on just 0.5 gigabytes of RAM. That's less memory than most smartphones use for basic apps. Imagine running advanced AI on nearly any device without needing expensive hardware or cloud services. This breakthrough opens up AI experimentation to a much wider audience, making it accessible and affordable for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Let's dive into how this tiny model can be fine-tuned right on your own computer. The Gemma 3270M model is so small, you could almost joke about running it on a potato. While that's a stretch, the point is clear. With just 0.5 gigabytes of RAM, this model is incredibly lightweight. For comparison, many popular AI models require several gigabytes of memory and powerful GPUs. Here, you can run everything offline with no need for cloud GPUs or worrying about hefty credit card bills. This makes AI more sustainable and private, as your data never leaves your device. It's a big step forward for personal AI applications. To put Gemma 3270M to the test, the author decided to fine-tune it on a fun and challenging task: chess. The idea was simple: give the model a nearly finished chess game. Ask it to predict the missing move and see if it could get the answer right. This type of problem is perfect for language models, as it requires understanding context, strategy, and logic. Plus, chess is a classic benchmark for AI experiments. The goal was to see if such a tiny model could actually learn and perform well on a real-world task. To fine-tune the model, a few essential tools were used. First, Unsloth AI, which is designed to make fine-tuning small models fast and efficient. Next, Hugging Face Transformers, the go-to library for running language models locally. And finally, the ChessInstruct Dataset, which contains chess games with one move missing, perfect for training the model to predict the next move. With these tools, anyone can set up a similar experiment on their own machine without needing advanced technical skills or expensive resources. The first step in the process is loading the Gemma 3270M model. Thanks to Unsloth, this is a breeze. With just a few lines of code, you can pull the model into your environment. No complicated setup, no need for massive downloads. This simplicity is a huge advantage, especially for those who want to experiment quickly or run multiple tests. Once loaded, the model is ready for the next phase: fine-tuning. Instead of retraining the entire model, which would be too demanding for most laptops, the LoRA technique is used. LoRA stands for low-rank adaptation, and it's like giving the AI a few new neurons without changing its whole brain. This method allows for quick, efficient updates to the model, making it smarter without heavy computation. It's a clever way to get big improvements with minimal resources, and it's perfect for small models like Gemma 3270M. The next step is grabbing the right dataset. The ChessInstruct dataset is specifically designed for this kind of task. It contains thousands of chess games, each with one move missing. The model's job is to predict what that missing move should be. This dataset is ideal for training because it provides clear, structured examples that the model can learn from. By working through these puzzles, the AI gradually gets better at understanding chess strategies and making accurate predictions. Language models perform best when data is formatted like a conversation. To help Gemma 3270M learn effectively, the chess data is wrapped in a chat format. This means each example is presented as a dialogue between a system, a user, and an assistant. This structure mimics real-world interactions, making it easier for the model to understand and respond accurately. It's a simple but powerful way to boost training results. With the data ready, it's time to configure the training process. The setup uses a tiny batch size and just a few training steps, making it fast and efficient. The optimizer is set to Atom W in 8-bit mode, which helps save memory and speed up training. These choices are all about making the most of limited resources, so you can fine-tune the model even on modest hardware. It's a practical approach that anyone can replicate. Now comes the exciting part: actually training the model. As the training progresses, the loss number, a measure of how well the model is learning, starts to drop. This means the AI is getting better at solving the chess puzzles. Before fine-tuning, the model might guess moves that make no sense. But as it learns, its predictions become smarter and more accurate. It's rewarding to watch the improvement happen in real time. One of the biggest advantages of this approach is that everything runs offline. There's no need to send data to the cloud or rely on external servers. This keeps your experiments private and secure, and you don't have to worry about internet speed or connectivity. Plus, you avoid the costs and risks associated with cloud computing. It's a win-win for privacy and convenience. Another key benefit is that you don't need a powerful GPU or high-end workstation. The Gemma 3 270M model is designed to work on everyday computers, even those with limited memory. This democratizes AI development, allowing more people to experiment and innovate without financial barriers. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a professional, you can get started with just a laptop. Before fine-tuning, the model's chess predictions were often random or nonsensical. But after training with the ChessInstruct dataset, its answers became much more logical and accurate. This transformation shows the power of targeted fine-tuning, even with a small model. It's proof that with the right data and approach, you can achieve impressive results on a budget. The success of Gemma 3 270M isn't just about chess. It demonstrates that powerful AI can be made accessible, affordable, and private. This opens the door for countless new applications, from education to personal assistance, all running on local devices. As more people experiment with small models, we'll likely see a wave of innovation in how AI is used in everyday life. In summary, Google's Gemma 3 270M model is a glimpse into the future of AI, one where anyone can run and fine-tune advanced models on their own devices. With minimal hardware, no cloud dependency, and simple tools, the barriers to entry are lower than ever. Whether you're solving chess puzzles or building new applications, this tiny model proves that big things can come in small packages. The era of local, accessible AI has truly arrived.